Hey, what's up everybody? Recently I noticed that my grass blades were looking ugly after mowing, and the mower would struggle more than usual on the St. Augustine grass. So I knew it was time to sharpen my mower blade. In the past I've always used a file, but I've never been happy with the results. I know a lot of people use an angle grinder or a bench grinder, but I don't have either one, and that removes a lot of metal. I noticed that my rotary tool, which I bought recently, came with some stones that can be used for sharpening. So I figured I'll try it out. I have an electric mower, so I can tilt my mower easily. There's a nut holding the blade in. To remove the nut, you can use a socket with a piece of wood, or an impact wrench, or an impact driver with attachments. So here's my impact driver, and I'm going to use the attachments and use a socket. It's a 15mm nut. Now this blade is already sharpened, but I have an old blade so I can show you how I sharpened it. Alright, let's put this blade back. This one only goes back one way. Let's put on some safety glasses. Mount the blade on the vise. I'm using the free stones that came with the rotary tool. I have the tool set for about 50% of its speed. I hold it at a steady angle and move back and forth until it's sharpened. You can also spray some water for a finer cut. Turn the blade around and lightly do the backside. Here's the before. Here's halfway done. Here's the finished product. Don't forget to balance the blade as well. So here's a nail on my wall. Let's check the balance after sharpening just one side of the blade. Okay, looks good. Here's a before and after look at my grass blades. Let's go over a couple of tips before closing this video out. Spray some oil on the blade after sharpening to prevent the corrosion. So how often should you sharpen your blade? When the grass looks raggedy after cutting, that's a good indicator. For me, I plan to do this about 2 times a year. Once at the beginning of the warm season grass growth, and once at the beginning of the cold season grass growth. Alright, thanks for watching. There's more info in the description of the video. If you have questions, if you have comments, please leave them below.